So we're going to do a little trail here for you about the heritage leather. So Peter, can you tell us what is the story about the heritage leather? How did it all come about?
It's because I'm getting old, and the only thing I can think of is my heritage. No, it isn't. It isn't. Heritage leather is because we've obtained leather from 2 or 3 tanneries that have gone into administration. They had leather left over that we finished out, and it's made in a very traditional way. It's made from cattle, essentially, that have been all grass fed, and by methods mostly involving vegetable tanning materials that are over 150, 200 years old. So it's wonderful traditional leather.